The United States will send M113 armored personnel carriers to Ukraine. In the United States, the M113 tracked armored personnel carriers are being prepared for delivery to Ukraine. The U.S. is shipping 200 Vietnam-era M113 armored personnel carriers to Ukraine as part of a larger $800 million aid package. The tracked vehicle will help transport Ukrainian troops from the rear areas of the battlefield to the front lines, mobility for infantry that is badly needed. The M113 is like a classic car you want in your collection, but the APCs are thinly armored and outdated, even though they are combat tested. Information on the preparation of armored vehicles was released by the U.S. Department of Defense on April 27. American equipment is being tested and undergoing maintenance. The statement said that the Indiana National Guardsmen prepared M113 armored personnel carriers to be transferred as part of a U.S. initiative to support Ukrainians in the defense of their nation against Russian invasion. Hoosier Guardsmen inspected, repaired and test drove the M113s to ensure they are fully operational and ready for delivery. It was previously reported the West Virginia National Guard will be sending the armored personnel carriers to Ukraine. This was announced by Jim Justice, governor of West Virginia. According to the official information, Justice stated that an undisclosed number of M113 armored personnel carriers would be coming to Ukraine, following a request from the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine. M113 lightweight universal floating conveyor was developed in the 1960s. It is the main tracked armored personnel carrier, which is in service of mechanized troops of the U.S. Army. Its crew consists of 2 people, a mechanic driver and a commander. It is able to carry an airborne unit of up to 11 people, as well as serve as a base for several dozens of specialized vehicles. In its initial configuration, it was armed with a 12.7mm machine gun and equipped with a gasoline engine. It was later modernized several times. The trusty battle taxi is aluminum-hulled, and the lightweight, only 24,000 pounds compared to 55 tons for an M1 Abrams tank, makes them easily transported by cargo planes or ships. It will be interesting to see how the Ukrainians will use the M113. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.